What is up, darlings, and welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. Okay, like truly, we are ready to get down to action. I just got off work and it's actually really hot in Colorado, and I'm just not ready for it yet. Okay, I'm just not ready. Colorado, I hate snow, but I also like the color black, and it's just not a good mix. My Subaru does not have AC, so I am pretty much just roasting every single day. It is great, but it builds you tough, you know? So I'm gonna keep rocking it. Anyways, today we are getting back to work on the El Camino. No time to spare, right? We must get this done. It is hot rod season, even though hot rod season's like passing, because man, during the like middle of the summer, this El Camino is hot as heck. It also does not have AC, and it is scorching in there. So, I'm a little late. I'm running late. And it's a very important date, okay? My dates with my hot rods are the best, so just gotta get it done, you guys. Ooh. You know, I'm still waiting on that part. It is on back order, but I have faith it'll be here soon. Until then, we're just gonna keep getting everything ready. I mean, we still have to rip the old one out, so that's what we're gonna do today. That's the plan. Just gonna make a quick little video of ripping this here section out. Okay, one way or another, baby's coming out. And also, I've decided, thanks to you guys and your amazing comments and all of your advice, I so freaking appreciate it, because I have decided that you guys are brilliant, and I'm gonna take your advice and go ahead and cut this out. All right, cut it out and just make a new patch, because there's just so much going on there. It's just really bad, and I just need to fix this. There's rivets sticking out of here because someone patched it from the other side. Okay, so down here in the wheel well, you can see where it's just rusting through right through there, you know? So this is all just painted over. I need to sand this down and see what lies beneath, you know? But every single time I do this, and I'm like, I'm just gonna do this one little thing and it'll be easy, and it always turns out to be like so horrible. So I'm really hoping it's not like that, but I do think it will be. But I'm still gonna do it anyway, because truly I'm already this far into this, and yeah, I might as well just do it. That Bondo looked laid in there just rough, you know? So, I mean, I don't want to just pack a whole bunch of Bondo back in there. That's not the kind of job I'm trying to do. If I wanted to just pack Bondo in places, that's what I would have done from the very get-go, like Dad did, you know? So I'm just trying to do it all right. I swear, I feel so bad. Like, I always start a project and then I go on to the next project, and none of my projects really get finished, but I'm trying. I am so freaking trying, okay? We're back out here. It is hot. We're cleaning up shop because, of course, I left all of my mess out from the whole fabbing the little rocker panel part. Oh, yeah, rocker panel update as well. I have decided, thanks to you guys and your advice as well, that I'm going to go ahead and just cut this piece out and try to weld that piece that I made onto there. I still have a little bit more fitting to do and shaping, just to get more of a point on some of the edges and, you know, just make sure it's the right size. Again, not a professional. Eventually, I'm gonna know what to do here in all of these situations I'm in. But right now, I don't know. So all we can do is just keep plugging along, keep figuring it out. We have all of these pieces that need to go in. I mean, I would say I'm pretty on top of things. You know, I am getting the job done, and we're just going with the flow. Eventually, the Nova is going to steal the show here. But Truly, this was just supposed to be a little repair. Like, I was just gonna do the quarter. And then we opened everything up and saw how horrible it was and just decided there's a lot more to be done. And that's what sucks, is this is a running, driving car, and I could be ripping it around this summer with the kiddos. Well, one at a time. You know, that sounds amazing, and I want to be able to do that. So I'm trying really hard just to get this part done, and then bam, we'll get slamming on that, which I know isn't going to be done in time to race this year. So put that to the side and just get this done. And then we'll slam that out. All right? Yeah. All right. Heck yeah. Okay, so you know when the hair goes up, we are getting down to business. Enough with the intro. I had to go pick up my kiddos from school, and then I have to go to the grocery store at some point for dinner. And one of my oldest kiddos, my junior in high school, he has a choir concert tonight, so we gotta do that. And in the meantime, I'm gonna rip this apart real quick. That's what we're gonna do. Life is freaking chaotic, but we are working with the time we have. And we are getting things done, and shit. The later it gets in the evening, the cooler it gets, so I'm not complaining. I've already had to put shorts on because I just could not even exist out here, honestly. Had my work pants on, and that was a big heck no, because it's like 100 freaking degrees out here, man. Alright, we're gonna get this off. See if we can break this loose easy, or if it's more complicated than it seems. You know, we're gonna find out right now. If it does get complicated, then I do have my handy dandy diamond blade right there that managed to cut through some crap pretty well. So, we got a lot of stuff to cut off. I'm gonna cut that off as well so that I can weld on my new one, which I've fabbed myself. Heck yeah, but I definitely still have some shaping to do, per se. My corners definitely aren't as sharp. I'm thinking, well, since I just did it with my hands, you know, it's not as sharp as it should be, but I'm hoping that I can do something right here and get this a little better, but you know, you guys gave me some advice and said maybe I should just weld this on. I'm like debating it, but also like, look at that, you guys, I didn't make it long enough. Like, it doesn't go all the way up there, you know? So do I add more metal and like, I don't know what to do. Blah. And see, I started that project, but now I just want to move on to this one. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to move on to that one, and we're just going to think on this. You guys can leave me more comments. Let me know what you think. Like, do I just start over? I don't know. That was my first time ever doing it, and I don't know. I just don't know. It's almost why I want to like hire some help, because there's things that I just really don't know. Well, I guess it's not that I don't know them, it's that I haven't figured them out yet. Okay? That's it. It's not that I don't know it, I just haven't figured it out. I just need help with that. You know, there's certain things with the Nova that I'm stumped on, certain things that I'm stumped on, and I just wish I had my dad here, like so freaking bad. You guys are amazing with your comments and your advice, but it is so different, like reading advice. You know what I mean? It's kind of hard to read advice. I appreciate the comments and all the tips and help, because that's truly what I'm asking for. So thank you guys for that. But let me know what you think. What should I do with the Sierra rocker panel thing? You guys saw it. It doesn't quite fit to where I could weld it, I don't. Because I kind of like cut it to where I'd have room to like weld it on there, you know. I wasn't really thinking of cutting all this off. But I am taking this piece off. I do know that's still part of the wheel well, but yeah, I had a hard freaking time getting that off as it was. You can see where I cut through right there. I ain't gonna lie, mistakes were made, you know. It ain't easy getting in there with a freaking saw. It was insane, but I do need to get that piece off. That's the final piece. I just made that cut because if you guys can see, that piece actually wraps around and connects in here behind this rocker panel. See that little bit of it right there? Yeah, it's wild. So now I don't know what to do. Because if I cut that off, then... yeah, this ain't gonna go all the way back there, you know? It's not gonna align right, I don't think. It might, though, because it's a little bigger. We like to make guesses. We like to guess and check things, you know? And if anything, if I mess it up real bad, then I can just buy a new one. It's not the end of the world, but I don't think I can mess up metal. You can only add to it, right? That's what you guys keep telling me, so. So we're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna work on the other side. Let that side simmer. We also got some weld-through primer. Hopefully this will do the trick in kind of sealing everything down. Okay, so I got this one little piece off, but if you go back in here and you look, hopefully you guys can see, it is just like spot welded, like right there, just all along this seam. So, yeah, I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna break those. Really don't want to cut this out. I tend not to like to cut. I just, you know, I don't know. We're getting really dang close here. Really dang close. Sorry, neighbors. Yay! Oh my goodness. That is just wow. Cut it. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty rotted out. Dang. Dang, dang, dang. I'm just gonna cut it off right there. For now. That is done. So that's that. Gotta get this little clip off here, which I didn't see prior, but it's okay, we can do it now. Alright. Look at that. Okay, so that's our piece. Yeah, it's a pretty hardcore spot right there. Yeah. Every time I'm like, oh, this will be easy. Yeah, there doesn't look to be too much to weld onto right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm getting ready to be a really good fabricator, I think. Yeah. Because I gotta fix something right there. We gotta do something with that, so that way we can weld that panel freaking on there even. Like, how's that even gonna work? Ay, ay, ay. But wow, look at that. Doesn't that look crazy? Ever seen an El Camino look like that? Woo! Woo, buddy. Dad, don't worry. I'm going to get it back together. I promise, dude. I promise. Okay, mission complete. That went very smooth. Way smoother than expected, so that's good. I'm just trying to pop off as many little videos as I can before we start, you know, throwing everything back together. I'm really just waiting for that last piece to get here, the one that we just took off, and then we'll get like putting everything back together, you know, and those will be my long videos. But we're just gonna throw out a couple short videos real quick here. I'm throwing out another video to my members. I went ahead and got the clutch done in the Subaru. I went with the stage 3 clutch, and it is so amazing. I freaking love it. Honestly, I love how it feels a lot more than the stock clutch that I had in the Subaru. It's amazing. I mean, and it grabs. It grabs and it goes and it doesn't slip, and it's been great. Everybody thought that I was too weak to handle a stage 3 clutch in like everyday traffic. You guys, you obviously have not felt the El Camino's clutch. Just saying, it's pretty dang stiff, and the Subaru, it's perfect. So I'm super stoked that I got that done, and I'm gonna make a little video about that and throw it out to my members. So if you're a member, you'll get to see that. But otherwise, we're just gonna keep plugging along on the Chevys, one little bit at a time, one baby step at a time, because that's how we do it best. Thank you guys so much for all of your advice. Keep it coming, seriously. You have no idea how much it actually helps and how much I learn from you guys. You all are brilliant, and you all have like your own special trades, and that's what makes it so cool asking you guys for help, is like you're actually professionals and you could actually really teach me something, and that's why I say I'm not a professional all the freaking time, but gosh, do I wish I could be, you know? So thank you guys for all of your advice. It just changes everything sometimes, you know? When I'm feeling really hopeless, it's nice to go back through there and look through there and have another idea and another step that I could take, you know? So thank you guys again for hanging out with me and dealing with me and just plugging along with me on these Chevys. We are plugging away. Woo-woo. So many parts and pieces everywhere. They're just waiting to go back on to the Nova, man. Oh my goodness, we gotta get rolling on the Nova. I just need to get this El Camino finished up and fired up, and then we will be ready to rock. You guys are the absolute best. I will catch you around very soon. Heck yes. The amount of stuff that fell out of here when I started whacking on there, man, that was crazy. Jeez. It's like just full of dirt. My daughter Maya brought me home the coolest Mother's Day gift from school. She's even wearing Kirsties'Karz merch when they took the picture. Like, I'm just, oh my goodness. I'm so lucky. Truly blessed. Truly blessed. And that's the Nova. Look how good she did. I am just, wow. Wow. I'm just one lucky mother. Super lucky. Super blessed. Blessed to have you guys too. Thanks for hanging out with us.